Most people think you cannot use a Google Play gift card on an iPhone at all. That's the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Here's the truth no one tells you. You actually can use a Google Play gift card on an iPhone in 2026, but only for certain Google services and apps. In this video, I'll show you exactly what works, what does not work, and the easiest way to redeem and spend your Google Play balance using an iPhone without wasting your money. First, let's clear up the confusion immediately. A Google Play gift card cannot be added to Apple Wallet or used directly inside the Apple App Store. That means you cannot use it to buy iPhone apps, iCloud storage, or Apple subscriptions. But here's where it gets interesting. You can still use the gift card for Google services on your iPhone, if those services support Google Play payments. The first step is redeeming the card properly. Open your browser on the iPhone and go to the Google Play redemption page while logged into your Google account. Enter the gift card code carefully. This is where most people fail, because they accidentally redeem the card on the wrong Google account. Jake redeemed his card on an old Gmail account he never used anymore. Later, he thought the card disappeared because the balance was attached to the wrong account the entire time. Now once the balance is added, you can use it inside supported Google apps. For example, YouTube Premium, Google One Storage, and some Android-based subscriptions connected to your Google account may allow payment through your Google Play balance. But here's the problem. Many apps on iPhone are forced to use Apple's payment system instead of Google Play. That means even if you have a balance, some purchases simply will not work on iOS. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest workaround most people never think about. Before that, make sure your Google account country matches the gift card region. A US Google Play card may fail if your account is set to another country. Another common issue in 2026 is trying to redeem the card inside the YouTube app or another app directly. That often causes confusion. Always redeem through the official Google Play website first. Now here's the easiest workaround. Use an Android device temporarily or log into Google Play through a web browser on a computer. Alex used his friend's Android phone for 2 minutes to activate a subscription with his balance. And after that, the subscription worked perfectly on his iPhone. One more important thing. Google Play balances usually cannot be transferred to Apple ID balances. Once redeemed, the funds stay inside the Google ecosystem. So here's the bottom line. You cannot fully replace Apple payments with a Google Play gift card on iPhone, but you can still use the balance for certain Google services and subscriptions if you set everything up correctly. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and comment below what you used your Google Play balance for. Your tip might help someone else avoid wasting their gift card.